Hello scientists! I'm here setting up my candy melting experiment. So I was originally going to try and use water in this glass bowl, but I think it'd be faster to just use this this pan and the stovetop instead. So over here I have my candy set up. I'm using Original Spree, Berry Skittles, and Tropical Starburst. These are the three candies I will be doing the experiment on. I'll be doing 3 trials. And over here on my computer is my timer set up, so that way when I put the candies in, I can start timing at the same time to get even results. I have these candies laid out like this, so 2 Skittles is about the same size as 1 Spree and 1 Starburst, and I think this will make that variable of size a little bit more controlled. And I have 3 sets of these because I want to be doing 3 trials for my experiment. So I have my stove set to medium heat, this front one, and this little pan, and I made sure that I let the pan heat up. So I'm going to be starting with my Skittles for the first trial, and as soon as I drop them in, I'm going to press my timer. So I'm going to set my phone down really quick. I just want to let everyone know too that I am wearing protective eyewear, my glasses in this case. You should be wearing goggles because you never know what can happen in an experiment, especially with cooking. So making sure to wear long sleeves too is also good to just help prevent burns or any other malfunctions in your cooking experiment. So here I go. Give me 1 second to put these in as I start the timer. Alright, timer is now going. Skittles are in the pan. And now we wait. Ooh, you can already see them start to sizzle and melt. I'm just gonna let them go. As soon as they are completely melted, that is when I will stop my timer. I'm gonna turn my fan on up here so it doesn't smell in my house. I'm watching really carefully because I want to make sure that last bit of green is all gone before I stop the timer. Stop. Minute 19. You can see it's all dissolved. Now I'll remove this from the heat. Set it aside. I'm going to have to quickly remove this candy so it doesn't burn, so I will come back with the second part of this video to show you the Spree and the Starburst. I'm not going to show you all 3 trials, I will just put them into my data table. So I've finished all of my Skittles melting, and this is what they look like after. See if I can get them in the light. There you go. You can kind of see the bubbles. Definitely burnt after they were melted all the way because medium heat I think is just a little too high, but we're going to leave it because that's what we're doing. So now we're going to move on to the Spree melting. So this is a Spree candy. It is orange, round, same thing. We're going to wait till all that color's gone and it's fully dissolved. I'm going to have the fan on as soon as I press go afterwards, so it might get a little loud. So I will try and talk louder as I go. Same thing, I'm going to set my phone down so I can press the timer at the same time, and I will pick up and show you guys what's happening. Okay, so I just dropped it in, timer's going. Ooh, and there it goes. There's a crackle, and that was the Skittles still cooling down on the foil over there. This one's really pretty as it melts, very orange. Okay, I'm gonna turn my fan on. Looks the same, kind of turning black, probably because it's green. We are waiting until everything is all the way dissolved. Now I've finished up my spree melting. I was writing my data down on this notepad until I can put it into my table. Now I'm moving on to Starburst. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm heating up the pan between each use for about 30 seconds and then trying to scrape off with this rubber spatula as much as I can. So we're gonna start the Starburst experiment. I'm gonna reset my time. All right. Going.